Namaste students. In the previous video, we have learned about the type of square matrix on the basis of transpose. First was symmetric and second was skew symmetric matrix. Now class, let's introduce some another properties of such type matrix. Look at here. Let A is any square matrix. A is any square matrix and class it is only square matrix. It is neither symmetric and nor skew symmetric. The property is that if you add transpose of this matrix in this matrix, you get new matrix. Class, if you add any transpose of the matrix in this, you get a new matrix which is symmetric. It means this matrix is neither symmetric nor skew symmetric. But if we add transpose of this matrix in this matrix, we get new matrix which is symmetric in the nature. This is first. Second, if we subtract transpose of this matrix, then new matrix is skew symmetric matrix. Then today we discussed about these two properties. Okay class, so let's take first. So class, what I say? I am saying that if you add transpose of this matrix, you get a skew symmetric matrix. Let's take proof. So first, let it is B, A plus A dash. Now class, in order to check it is symmetric or not, we take transpose. We are taking both side transpose, A plus A dash dash. Now class, it is the property of transpose A plus B whole dash is equal to A dash plus B dash. So class, apply here this property. It is your A, class it is your A and it is your B. Then apply this. So this becomes A dash plus A dash dash according to this property. Class, B dash is equal to it is A dash and you get A dash and dash, it is the property, you get again A. So this becomes A. And class, as you know, the addition of matrices are commutative. A plus B is equal to B plus A. It is the commutative property. Then apply here, you get A plus A dash. Class, this becomes B dash is equal to, this becomes B. It means class, if you take transpose of B, you get again B. This implies B, यानी कि A plus A dash is symmetric matrix. So class, if you have any matrix and you want to convert this matrix into symmetric matrix, then what you do? You should be added the transpose of this matrix in A, then the new matrix which is obtained by you by adding of transpose, it is the symmetric matrix. It is the first property. Okay class, let's take one example. Class, this is a square matrix 1 0 2 minus 2 0 1 3 4 3. Suppose it is neither symmetric nor skew symmetric, but I want to convert into symmetric matrix. Then what we do? We add transpose of this matrix in this matrix. So 1 minus 2 3 0 0 4 2 1 3, and you add transpose of this matrix 1 minus 2 0 0 4 2 1 3. Now if you add this matrix, you get it is 2, it is minus 2, it is 5, it is minus 2, it is 0, it is 5, it is 5, it is 5 and it is 6. Now class, this is the symmetric matrix. Now you check. If you transpose of this matrix, so what you get? First column becomes first row, second column become second row, and third column become third row. This is same of this matrix. It means this matrix is called symmetric. Okay class, so it is verified first property. Now class, we take second property. It is given square matrix and I want to convert this matrix into skew symmetric matrix. So what we do? We subtract transpose of this matrix from this matrix. You get skew symmetric matrix. Example, let it is B. B is equal to A minus A dash. Now class, I want to check it is skew or not. Then what we do? We take transpose of this matrix both sides. Then it is B dash A minus A dash whole dash. As you know, A minus B whole dash is equal to A dash minus B dash. Now apply this property here. So it is A dash minus A dash dash here according to this property. Class, B dash is equal to A dash. As you know, transpose of the transpose you get A. So this becomes A. Now class, if you take minus common from the here, so this becomes A minus A dash, and class, it is equal to B. So what you do? You take transpose and you get minus B. It means B matrix is the skew symmetric in nature. This implies B. B, what is B? B is A minus A dash is skew symmetric matrix. So class, if you want to convert any matrix into symmetric matrix, then you what you do? You just add the transpose of this matrix. You get new matrix which is symmetric in nature. And if you want to convert this matrix into skew symmetric, then only you just subtract the transpose of this matrix A minus A dash. The new matrix is obtained which is skew symmetric in the nature. It is the proof. Okay class, thanks.